in advance, obligation ahead of schedule. Your man pad no so o ya botre na enye de ya yebenya financial expert na yeni omo so edi ho nkomo na ewurawura mu na yahwe sede enema esitie e wo hodum na anopai yebere nkomo government ayebiem another Eurobond which has been settled na enu na wafo bisa say sa nyoma we dia na ede ne deba ya settle in advance do settle then and ebe exercise ka krebi ebe exercise ka krebi enti danom ya wada second ana abantwa sa sika no principal payment any interested that's no and you have principal near 52.2 million. Hey, masa, a kaya bo si ya nenye ize ay radi jawe. Kalapa, debi a kadi animo. Debi a utia principal no na utia. Aya interest in so that's so. Debi a kada animo. Every day kada animo. Hey, o me nyame hu ya mobo enye wo. Nyame pa hu o mai mobo every day ye wo car. Yeah. Na musumwe no one of the interesting abani say very interesting. Said the Bank of Ghana injected 2.01 billion our your market nim. Na ni nyina dia we nyina ye say cedi no ahode no betime gina yi. Cause currently o hwe ade atimi asave yen oil no kakra yen oil no price no kakra because of FX no na eno etimi stabilize yen kakra say ohwe the current nature of fuel aside say tomorrow refinery adwuma any private oil refinery aba na yedi nkobo na amni ko pefo di nkobo na something cho say no tomorrow refinery no crab boom bear 40 private no the first face no edikan crab 45 I number 85 oko 85 oko eti when it happens like that ebwa emma unya sidia na hoden no edene a ebwa ma wutimi sustaining wo economy no kakra and currently say ye mistake na say sidi no sa eba fom biemu a ade a ehu pa ne say fuel be kosho because the fuel ye refine wa ha no entimi nru demand a ewo ha no enti no matter what ye be kwa akokra bi aba no matter what ye kwa akokra bi aba eno kokra is in dollars and as a close of the week you know na ohwe ba bia rate no ene na it's around 11.36 that's the interbank rate you know yes that's the interbank rate but when you drew down now eno there so normally we use the interbank rate. And on Monday, meaning said the adjustment will be coming. Some of these 2.01 million dollars are buying Ade Akye Abia say yahodin ebesi akosho. But looking at this, the euro bond now government has settled down. Where is 700 million euro bond obligation now? the current rate ocean as of 6 July 2026 but on the Thursday of 2nd July and a ministry no ASR payment now okay the release ministry no dia ba anopeya wa segment no wa chichechichem wo hodum a edi aman wa chichechichem enti so hwem kroje a now who said here a city and how it has been segmented catch mami nfukoso adi catch fa toto nchen ha Ulysses thank you na yeye ni say and you hear how it has been segmented now the payment consisted of 525.5 million in principal repayment and 174.8 million in interest payment. Hey, that's the interest in the watch you. With this latest payment, Ghana has paid a total of 2.1 billion to Eurobond holders since January 2025. In accordance with the terms of the Eurobond debt exchange program. The payment was made through the government plan financing arrangement without undue pressure on the country's foreign exchange reserves. That is good. That's good news. The payment was made through the government plan financing arrangement without undue pressure on the country's foreign exchange reserve. The settlement reduces Ghana outstanding Eurobond debt, strengthens investor confidence, and demonstrates the government commitment to prudent debt management and macroeconomic stability. The Ministry of Finance will continue to implement sound public financial management practices to ensure the timely servicing of Ghana debt obligation. The ministry expresses its gratitude to the people of Ghana for their continued patience, support, and confidence. We free the Public Relations Unit, Ministry of Finance. Now, Ade Akye Abia manage 0.3 no. I said the payment was made through the government plan financing arrangement without undue pressure on the country foreign exchange reserves. Because maybe ano ya kwaje bosia no se ebu okra ya pese ya de be wura market nim se be ya ye be hu more dollars ewo market nim se be ya ebe meet the demand and supply ewo market no but don't just carry in dollars now the buyer the other buyer we are oh kwa kotua obekwa kotua in dollars it is all the $500 million they are calculating interest e bia $100 eguso $100 million eguso ai maza interest ne bi omo because when you tua say 526 I say no interest in 174.8 as a quick loan no interest ne ya say kwetwa so say ya bra won yakwaji dollars ne ba bia ba di ra ya pump into the system na system ne fine pressure na ya so emma dollar ne nkoso basi di na ho de en drop it but repayment time ni dra I also assessing dollars with interest now so you are paying more than what you demanded. It's a maybe I was all bobo si an akodi Eurobond then in your metisan. Now when to me I'm fan fix economy no. I'm na me yan dear. Dollar ne buy more in the system ye pebia. The central bank can gather some ye de be wa bra pressure emeda so no. Emeda ye FX ni so no na afei wako akoye wako wachi miensa akọ anim ba akope ko anim ba akwado asa abo achi reverse miensa. But with this system ekwanya aban no anawo aban na tu ade afa ho no eya ade ebeboa yen because it will help the system make say about the urban say yeah, you can't do politics with it. I do pure financing and economics with this. The ability for the government so betua without saying foreign reserves no pressure bia meto yen sika so a, that is the happiest thing because yes already says dollars a war system need to meet the demand. There will be shortage and there will be scarcity. So scarcity is here. A whole sooner prices a cost because the demand is higher than the supplier. Prices not ever cost show. Etienne so who cra $100, who cra 100 cedis. Now the quack per dollars. Ebianka cra 100 cedis. Kebianka benyan somewhere around there. Ebianka said $60 now all they are showing. But the moment it cannot go in that way, no. Oh, baby, you so baby. And what happens and say you did $100, 100 cedis in the bar, you have $50. Now remember some me baby. Now I say okay. So over me. So over yeah the bema 48. So budget yeah. Because I may pay we pen and so the anything margin 48 no. And in a differences no too much. And that is what is not helping us. But if God being so good, so at least yet me manager. Say it me manager. Then that is where we can boldly say pressure be about me to yesika no so. Now say pressure ama me to yesika no so. Ama to yesika no so then ahodin betimi aba me atimi agina mu kakra. Because currently ade ba ko a save ye nyina, ade ba ko a save ye nyina. Eye sidi na hodin. Eno de ade ba ko a save ye pa the current stability 11.5 11 to 12 na aba form na aba 11 na fe in central bank no kra no interbank rate na aba 10.2 aba 10.5. It is within that range. So for some time now yentimin tra 12 papa bia. It is within that range no. I don't know ma now I get the 40 me proper budgeting and everything. I told say Senyama mekwa akofa next month. Se sidi na ho ade ade a ehu ya se mepe dollars no ato ntem. Cause ye nyina yes se sia na ma dollar no akwa atwe. Enti onim se anytime bia mekọ market bia dollar no ho a ombre wo ho nko hwe dollar emeto. Onim se there will be availability the central bank will pump money into the system. Onko pay dollar emeto. And for some time now, a buying strategy the Ministry of Finance and the central bank, the strategy that they are using, though you will not get it 100% because sometimes it comes with its own consequence. So especially when you are not able to handle it well. At the nyoma bebre eba. But your ability to stabilize this helps a lot. Ebuapa. Because the central bank where they are us, if you don't do injection, it will not help us. So what do we do? So there young forest market, Yemfa 2.01 billion emission. Now you if the current central bank to go upon PFC, or my injected 2.01 billion abishim. Now, immediately you do that, you get more dollar in the system. The city gains strength. And they are not pay, but them said definitely central bank for a projection now. We will see say cedi no enya hoɔden foforo. We will see say cedi no enya hoɔden foforo. And it is good news and it's a welcoming news for all of us. It's a welcoming news. Now, one of the things that happens to the Garrett project. Now, I'm not sure the Garrett project, you know, Bank of World Bank, Ediska ba ye, say yen from room, Nina aye, say ye betimi ye, yen drainage system, flood related issues, say be a flood, no, esi ye betimi ape ne pumesibre. Ye na expectedly, we are expecting say, Sir Garrett project, you know, the World Bank. Emma estimated an amount of money at $350 million. Now, Unim said, people were worried because people want accountability. Say, Sikano Ewohin. You see, Sikano Ewohin. Because if you have received this quantum of money for a specific project, a flood related issue, sir, now you invest in sika we wo aye adwuma wo se ya kananum can cry there no, there will be flood, but it will not, even if there will be flood, and can enroll this quantum, this level. But among your phone shall see about Garrett project, no chaskeling. Obasha say a portion of blames. We a shift kwa na we a move aba. Na very sad. Very sad to even to get to know say there have been time say a typical nature of Ghanaian leaders ni bebre. Emra emergency aba ne adwen. We aye kuku no. Yame ampata. June, July, August bia na so ne 80. Yame ampata. Ye be sign I go back to where we were. And that will be worrying. Arapai mare kwa o maso na me ne yewura John Akwesi Amponsa, or a financial expert, economics and so. I don't pay any running commona. Because say Eurobond mecheche bat or Roba Ado Becheche Buye. That was our pay my chain. Mira de Pombo Cordier.
Yamia to move, Moswe.
About the Atom Yasu Yahoya Pa.
Then Yamia.
I don't pay so any Ashafonia T4 Darcy.
Yeah.
Where ya dear na I don't pay Yebusan say. Oh, Honma, yes, so I buy Aqua Kuchia Eurobond obligation ahead of schedule. About for Sanya, my buy and I trim baby. Currently, I say I buy settle 700 million Eurobond obligation ahead of schedule. Sanya, man, how relevant an economy?
You need to submit our phone. CLA Foundation na Eurobond no emfa ni se company bia anase oman bia no se woye ne ntoto ye no ye ne budget wo sikasem ho no hu se ne budget no ye no enso na kwankura no de nani hwehwe bia obinya bosia na watini arami. Let us remember say in every economy no the lifeblood of the economy eye moja zenkade tutu ni pediano ho eye moja wo enipe mo no eye sika any labor but ya tiase sika any labor enti ekoba se oman na ye ntutu ye na oman no pesika edi dwuma de wode nani behwe eye market ya ebetini ama no loan. Na loan no ye wo capital market en ye wo ade a ye frɛ no the Eurobond market. Now, capital market, your money market. Money market, there be a open loan and soupy into Betia Genoa Krum. Ubetia mobilize this economy through banks into Koto bond, a bond, a debt instrument. A casa bond, a debt instrument into or mine no betimi abase through the central bank. The government issue bond. Enti o issue bond wa nipa dodo na edi wo musika ebe kwa yes investment na government na retrieve sika no from them or retrieve na duma opesi odidie no or the edi. That is locally how they organize money. But sika bi o wa eso enti local market din tin farmer. Into what do we better international market? Into the minister Kase, we are fulfilling Eurobond obligation. In banking, no see Kase, we oblige and now obligation. It's say indirectly, no, we invest it. We invest sika, that loan package, and now say, what the eka. Into say, Bosia. As a man, now call Amanoni, a Eurobond, it's a European bond, a homobosia, almost so the Bema or mine. Into what the cat, let's say, would you meet here a canon bear 700,000 or 7 million? Let's say, Ubusia bar, Ukobono Amanonino, let me out for fair the obligations associated with it.
I see. And it said, well, it comes with interest.
Of course. Of course. Yeah, Bosia. Into the edema, no, who bet here with interest with respect to time. Into a meredo, that's so. I this economy. Who bet here a who interest. So the bear. O mindful froso APBA. That system no ebetimi amano salon.
I see. Enti I was akwaba say ya. Na yeminim say there's a time frame daso for payment. Na jaya twa in term no. Ano ya na the benefit bi ba. E dey nsusu anso na wo man say wan twa in term so a.
Yo. Yes, where the who cannot credit scoring. The Uji loan, every domestic, the American domestic here, it's within the country and now outside the country. The banker and our creditor no be say, so Uji nipa was a ball in the first place here now. 2. The Disikanomawa, Ubetini Tiana. And I will say offshore the risk of default. Every your system. Na metrics are the best sano and your friend of credit scoring. And so will be bosia. Yemfan at the micro level, name from Comako, public NTSA. So a banker, now ma obi bosia, na otia, who observe the behavior, who observe kind of pasutia. The Kobase, a nipano, one man alone, but what I discovered to her, and to see Canada, the long terms now the man no. I believe yeah, Bessono, see Canada council no, eso sini, the Daho, eso sini, there was a utia each period. Inti bank no be ko no yiska no no aredraw abra won free nipa no kra inti wo yesa na period no kosi ne se nipa no timi tia ni loan wi a yesi ye man no grade A if you say wo ye credit worthy what was for 3 to 5 years na sa no wotia na a build the credit pattern am nipa no inti what you offer near the loan tata. In the same way, the for international market, they say Euro bonds, Eco Bobosia. No Tiano, even ahead of time, increase your credit rating. In the Abribia, loan, say, Obia a man grade A, any Obia a man grade C. No be you know why meaning I work hard the Bema.
But the Bema
grade A no. Aha, enti. Se unu se o maybe piani loan 10 any sabia na what they build the brony no credit history. It's there. You have to treat the country as a firm. You have to treat the country as a company. It's your work as a cat. It's your health service. It's your education service. It's your security service. And so on and so forth. And you talk of the nation as the infrastructure behind the exchange of goods and services. As a result, Unyeska to be able to do that.
Okay.
Now, Unyeska so and let there be a Kuromusikana who export now, we know. A TV mouse says Ikana, who developmental projects, who domestic adhere through taxation, who export. And unquenty into Sakobase, who credit ratings in ya. A better than say company be, and I say market be better say or before Bosia. Into Bassa, a Yahutre, a beba to country, no so in terms of time, I wouldn't yet.
I see. Enti Akobani say not there be anona scoring agency no omu grade so country where there or grade A or grade C did not contribute.
Yes. Say a history now building. And in finance, data analysis here.
Yeah.
The most primary source data. The primary source data, you can do interview, and now you can do observation. In this case, they will use observation. They will observe you. Uji alone, say now sitia no fire. Uti me tie kransa ye bi sa. And I say, na time no swan. Ye frefre wansa wetia. Into obi a ye frefre nansa wetia bi a ye de no to see. It just say we are risky.
Okay.
Ye di loan de kobobra. Enti se sikana wo jeje wo menum no. Enti min tia loan no dia. It just say ni say ma loan.
Okay.
But it me tia dia. Now the loan no the productive investment dia. And yeah, of course, you can raise the money in the short or long run. Okay. Now what in here. Okay. So far, KJTR market project here, President Mahama built the once a productive investment. And the emphasis say, then can offer loan from Eurobond and what you see, magnificent market now. Even who say they hide it to people. People when the marketers went and rented the apartment. Into tiaka, etia utilities, eti income generation model. In the long run, says he cannot meet tia back the loan. Abayi akwanya, oyi akwany, because economic growth is about goods and services. Ghana is agri-bond country. Enti se ye produce niania. I was say it transport easily ever from ne facilitate goods and service movement. And the bank loan was what the yi kwanya. That kwano a key determinant of what? Transactions between demand, one here diane, any supply, one so a well fuma, oma well fool, EDB, but do you get the analogy? So at the end of the day, if government does project A or B, and now say I was say what ye, as you see candy wa, ede na wo so ye e wo so okoji loan no oji loan ni wie na ontimi ntia otina biu ye ma no.
I see. Now say aban so pump about 2.01 billion into the system ni nyina ye se omu pese central bank pump se be ya ye seed na ho de no ebegina ye sa injection example sa aya na so ni sunsanso.
Okay, ensunsanso no ye mienu ye was short run and ye was long run. Ye ka say liquidity injection. Nese sa injection no target inflation. Cheme mufo no ho to mu. Especially uma eye owo fixed ye better on fixed income earnings. The idea say upe bia wo beje no ye wo nominal value and ye wo economic value of sikano. Enki say uji 2,000 a month. In nominal terms, you know, 2,000. But its economic value will depend on the ratio of inflation operating in the country. And the emphasis say the rate of inflation is 8%, as against 5.6%. The difference is the money, the value of the money you are losing on that your capital. And the inflation comes to erode the economic value of the Sikane crown. The Sikano Timito Bebrino, and then Sikakone and Timinto. Let's say a Yahoo Bawaso.
Okay.
Into be our fixed income and a biano. Remember, say, the ticket in a farco, but expenditure so costro.
Okay.
And to say, government, they inject the car just to curb inflation. A boamatime mufuono, the economic value on their money no becomes sustained for a while.
Okay.
And that is the positive outlook of inflation. Liquidity injection. Okay. On the other hand, if it happens to say government need long-term policy, obetini dia drive external revenues into the country there. And no, we need a lasting solution. A liquidity injection, no.
Okay.
And a lasting solution. There, was a government no share. A betini ama omanity tasem. Ejna brand ni say, all added value to the traditional export. And he said, Udi Koku Pabro Chile, near see about $2 million per annum. Senkau processes cocoa no through an industry-built policy. So we invest in the processing of cocoa to a semi-finished product here. Nebuono be kosoro asini $2 million. Now what do you know? And he a friend of value addition. We are no free wa. I was say or minor identify certain economic targets in pharmacy, in agricultural products, and so on and so forth. Now I'm building industries behind it to be able to export. Because the idea is that the more you export, the more foreign currencies flow back into your country.
Oh, okay.
And now, I was a government and also a policy. What did they see the Brunifan of capital flight? Capital flight, and then they say, all the foreign companies here, Ewo Krumhano, Omo ya they are a friend of foreign direct investments. You can talk of it as Unilever, you can talk of it as company Bia or Tonadie, Kumase Mall, Accra Mall, and so on and so forth. Banks, Ubinya International Bank Degree, Ubinya MTN, Hotel Coast, Ubinya Mining, Foreigners. Thank for Mabubosu. After no sure, between March and April, no. Omusika omuje oman munyina omu de $40. Na oma repatriate sikano to where their country resides. Enti ebasa, there is much pressure on the dollar within that geographic area. If you say there will be more demand for dollar, and the higher the demand for the dollar, the lower the local currency. And that gives us the meaning of depreciation. Enti, omunina on the aggregate, imagine say, omunina disike umajeje wome mu koto dollar. No ma repatriate dollar no to their country. Yet say, the country na economy no indicators no be boost to. That would the end of the suffer. On the foreign currency, the Urelu Krum. Also, no, ye Ghana. But what the dollar neighbor, because or the scanner per dollar. And what it's a dollar, no, Koni Krum. And it goes to add up to their country's treasury. So, I was say, or minor year deliberate policy say, Ghana dear, ye makwine. Said ye Europe ye no. Europe no, ma kwine ema within a certain quarter of the year no. Munyamo nkamu mu repatriatiska. Oye no in batches. So after obetimi discuss from but do it in batches. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. If you do that, Ghana and suffer the shocks I suffer. Okay. In this Russia, there was cyclical pattern. Bodeki network. Okay. Next year, abani yire no who said yeah inflation best tier 3 baby anewo. Okay. I see. Or yire no who said yeah but September, October, November, December, January, February, everything look good. Okay, and then their pattern, no. And non American capital flight, repatriation of the ship. A foreign direct investment for Nehano. Yeah. So only you almost see country or man no more. A course of Sardian. Yeah, no, I see. A course of the depreciation of the city against the dollar. Okay. And when that happens, because the business is bebre no pabro chiriko cranium meninti. Almost the dollar nekra. Enti enyema buobe yedin. Then also some result in inflation. Enti abiribia ube hu say see the no depreciate diano. Eya ko share inflation figures. Inflation figures will also shoot up. Yes. And example says okay, inflation said the okay from December na say so May day buy ya na just say baby akwa akodru no 5.3%. I think from December to May near who be sa. And no na ababisi yeah. I think between March and March, April, May, no. You see, a quarter 1 quarter 4 months. Okay. Yeah. So January, February, March, April, Meboa. By May, next company dia a meeting. Shareholding a home equity near the other. Yeah. Umuria and Faswa company nya for MTN no. For the name Konuku. And you imagine the car MTN agent will have no say what the name for $4. Unfortunately for us, Ghana has not built multinational billionaires. The Ghana so multinational billionaires here. Almost will be or other countries here. And almost be repatriated stand back to Ghana.
Okay.
But only billionaires are billionaires here over hanging in a few. But Senkawo will be a our company will be a South Africa, Togo, Benin, near the resident account no yet Ghana. And also a true sir or better dollar. Or $2 no a repatriate scanning to Ghana. Near index after Sika. Now appreciate ye
I see. Labosa, I don't pay my nurse pa. What boy, my nurse won't teach you money education. I dear my.
With us.
All right. It's Labosa?
Yes.
Now I can be Biana.
Oh, there.
Okay. All right. Tierra, John Akwesiam Ponsa. And I say, you know, Edin Command of financial experts, economics. Yenino Edin Komo Efa bond no and I say in the history yesha say aban ba ye from December up to May. The highest so far inflation that of June no e buy no so ohwe bebiane ejina 3.7%. Now escalate from 3.7% no ababedru just within that period, just within that month. 3.7 no shoot from 3.7 then to 5.3. Echabutu 3.7 to 5.3 and a difference of 1.6 anaba. Na utie Ghana Statistical Service for na ohwe said the nemesie ya most of them ema increase by non-food product. Non-food product which is say chintiabo edanbo suku fees ni ade ekosoro. And sometimes some of these things ana I want to dey anihwe. I'm surprised that rent control for shares and people were fighting them and all that because non-food inflation. And nema we are kesika suku fees here tutum. To obo aka say ana mo say inflation above from school fees above from aduane above from no credit penny dika aduane de na bi above from any food inflation to be kodwom na bi akwan a kane no enwukoko ye na me pepa ya tutumu obekọ na bi stable for some time now edu ba bi nso a obekọ mo kra ye toyi na price na agina mu ache enti food inflation no is stable. But the other area, the inflation, non-food inflation, quite a fast to inflation performance just say you take your man so there be. A say a quite a fast to tumuno and a bafom. And you can non-food inflation so aquasra, the chair say food inflation ya monya doas and your money a coat to tonina a ye. But non-food, yes, said the can okay, car bo school fees bo a fee a day on high housing a bo didn't you know and no issue to cost and then non food inflation to quire a beer oko high daya a dayanka a month ya demand for 700 no and 500 they say no that way we catch them if you are to need them by 100%. What? And that means I don't have 300 or to go 600 straight. 100%. Go on so have 50%. Obo crowd fear right and say, can we no subia they be all the 100 CDB atoso. They say also the 500 and not the 200. Well increasing no. And the another non-food inflation. I don't know ayana a kokoko. One good news eba I think so by now back home do money sha say so okay ya prisoners omu edidi ska ne ede ma omu da bia no aban ba yi ohwe batu mu kakra because baby na ejina na enye ti aban ba ya no na hwi so I say ye tutum kakra because owe kwanya the whole day na ya this scammer say 33 times a day and what price ya na Ghana bibi higher da every day na he made be already 1 cedi 80 pesos that currently they call 5 cedis they call 5 cedis which is positive. Now I don't feel hodo. I never quite learn when we are me PWD phone. In fact, me I have problem with PWD. Acquire more district assembly common fund or more the allocation of persons with disabilities. No, at the end, acquire more fast you mu the namimpe. I didn't namimpe. The entire make us a mimpen say. I quite fast with this person, no, it wasn't right. So, it was business startup capital and tools. Business startup, no, capitals and tools. See, that's what the business startup capital. And also, board my Yakofa tools, Yakoto tools. Yeah, dear man. I feel medical and educational support. Medical and educational support. The government was assisting them with school fees, assisting them with medical support. No? And then, sabi, used to wheelchair no so. How they were acquired, how umbeton so abang etobi. No, at this best their mom, what distributed various places, assembly in Anubia and sometimes assessing of the fund, no, never a problem. But the amount of any say, so baby and namua, abaya from 3% to 5%. And say no, the fund is somewhere around 438.5 million. That's the PWD fund. So gradually, though it's not enough, but gradually from 3 to 5, there have been some kind of change. So it is not only about the increment, but kwanya ye faso editor to your man momu e kwanya ye faso crowd this person. That is the one was the bia because you win kwanya faso yen the process to anopena me bomb what they say can local government phone be bedi komo ni ahwe how some of these things Etienne but anopena e bedi komo base for krom the base say umanya brepa danum crowd here metio mo audio bi na very interesting and you need the base for bedding kobo na OCP Ghana Limited sa no payment kan chew say season na adru so no na season adru so dia anope for 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 909433 the dia ne yekoye ye kwa akoto fertilizer enye fertilizer bia enso na obeto auto fertilizer dia no kwasem ewom ne say unya OCP fertilizer na OCP fertilizer no ya chichem de tienie se wudua emo ebro ana se wudua ntos nyadoa jene ene de keka ho a mokomu ne de keka ho na unya OCP fertilizer na friend 15 and I say OCP fertilizer 10-20-10. I know the Bolland, for cereals and then vegetables. Cereals and vegetables. So that more dear legumes. Legumes for also OCP fertilizer homamo. Na momo nyusu OCP fertilizer 15 and I say 10-20-10. Modiano Ben Maminto Kamodian in a year. TSP OCP fertilizer near friend TSP eno ana muhia anopay na odia Bolland no ama enyema enso so akomu kama eti anopay season adru ko na ko fertilizer papa OCP fertilizer eya agrochemical shop ene be be ton fertilizer bia obenya bi Anapa Roman father na drone father Martin say ba Mr. on kofa by a Roman father na drone. Anapa omu ana make am for the amount. Say stroke ana chill diabetes. Wa apostle pressure and how. Onya Roman father na drone. O dia kwa store pharmacy shop bia na gibi. Bubobi. That is the best medicine for all your sickness. For 0247 919 0247 191 and now 0552 668517 0552 668517. Na anope yeni the base for ebedin komo enso so ewo honum. Yeni the base for ebedin komo ewo nti Roman father no edro I know that make am for edi amount. Pharmacy shop, drugstore, herbal shop bia obenya bi ato anope. RSYD no video studio say wo twa skit moving kitu bi na apeso utwa na wo ye movie ankasa o here studio with the state of the art facility and the RSYD no video studio na no pay make am for the amount say say bi kra wo wanya script no ni so ade hunu bi ope creative director assist wa ye obi ho ye videographers ni photographers so me professionals ye wo cameras ye more than one pixels no eda ho ti anopa wuti fie ye de ade ntina wonko pebi na on mami ntwa videos ene o streaming podcasting ni na ye assist o ye malama biase e won kran malama biase first kokoko street en kran ye wo ofre aga na afa na nyina ye ba ne anu adin sa so 057 4715778 057 471 5778 and 030397 4822 030397 4822 na anopa yebedi komo ewo fie ha na yera Eric Owusu Amoako the Ashanti Regional Secretary at the base movement now a lot of activities anomoye ewo base na sesaya bebre no mu put in place base for no me for me double papa send you when you see abere no kroma nye izo nya gudie bere be so ebedi ko but tago aba Mr. na no pay me come for the amount tago aba Mr. ne capsules say be ma de man ya man fa wase erectile misfunction impotency and how o mema sem ne nwie peye anase o low libido oba ne be ma oni atenkan enum guasesem yasem ayenka infections ne hawa Mr. Unyata go heba Mr. or pharmacy shop drugstore heba shop bia 0243228296 0243228296 yero usu amo akwara pa ma che opanyini ma mike ni so green mame aha bibia akoso de
me pacho nyame adom
the base what you say
Ghana first
the base
job for the youth.
What can I say 3 times?
You can't bear 4 times.
Hey, the base.
Ghana first.
The base.
Job for the youth.
The base.
Ye be me wuram.
Huh?
Ye bam me wuram.
The base.
Job for the youth.
Wow.
Last one.
Wow. The base.
Power.
Hey.
Yes.
Worship. Yes, I love it. But we say this sequentially. The base.
Ghana first.
The base.
Job for the youth.
The base.
Ye be me wuram.
The base.
Power.
Hey. Those there be boko there.
Nyame adom fie boko.
Party mu so boko.
Party mu boko pa.
Ghana first.
I don't know Ghana first.
You
obeye me da say. Mefa akwanya so na machia watiefo ne wahwefo na machia me papa Dr. George Otibonsu kofa by founder ene me papa Mr. Jacob Oseyeboa
me ba Dr. Oti
Bonsu
on kofa
by
okay
on son daye edisa the base movement at the by.
Okay.
And I papa Jacob Oseyeboa Joy. Also na chief operations coordinator the base movement.
Joy.
Hey.
Wow.
Into the base ye jina now so na ye wo kuku dam so tayechi na ye wo mpanimfo so di anim yes ye team media ano hye eno ntina amasese Ghana aye hu ese ubo se onam no hu se nipa mienu miensa gina ope na the base ho nkomo na omudie ese aye se ehu no ya to bi no so papa
the base mo ye hemfafo
me da se the base ye Ghana for
okay
Ghana for ye wo form na first na ye free the grassroots eno na ya sesa na ye the base into what the base ya simple and said the grassroots
mine because party bia on the grassroots and na on my bia so on the grassroots mo de any on mine
into ye de any on mine grassroots into ye na ye wo form no na ya keka ye ho abom na ya sorry said there be ye hwe said the oman Ghana city a oman Ghana nye oman bi asebe esesenka emu timamfo no ekoti bia bi a eneyi womi
tibia bia na ewomu
because say hwe wonam street so na wo kona wo ba youth na sebe aya na efa ba bia na awreho ore yentwe ni hwe ye central business center Kumasi na hwe amanfo bu aye bu faso bra ye bre na nsuso ebedu anwumre no na sebe wanhwe kura na okubuada na sebe oman Ghana city no ensese emu nipa sofa sei because oman anyame ehira ye oman anyame amaye adododie bebre ye wo gold timber cocoa oil chese eniema bebre a sebe wotwa wani hwe amma binum so a sebe ye eniema ye won wo man mu no omunyim even the mukota kura
okay
enso so omu timamufo no hoto mo omu di yie omu man no so koso zenze Ghana ye hwe the direction of Ghana ehu enti eno nema ye papa Dr. George Otibosu ene mpanimfo bi a sabi wo mu de oman Ghana no eda wo makoma so na mpo oman Ghana yimu ene omunyuma nyina ye dai ewo mo oman mu no mo abo mo bra eno no mo se da bi ye hwe se de mabunu no ebu faso no mo sofa sabi ensese kosa ndi ese ye sori said the Debia near Coscru and ye tisse, ye two nimbi say, ye nananum, edum muja, and the G of my Ghana is you on your droomen also, a dear near Yatwaso. And he says, a droomen also, a dear near Bayatwaso, my Ghana, at me a fun into my pefra. We're you to see a better to a yan tokwa, a yan marble, and then yatin didi. Nemum eye agene ene ekokromoti ene yebetime de age oman Ghana esi ho ndi se yetime nya good leader na oba be still affair of this country a me free say nia ye yadwene ho no ebetime abam nia ye susu se etese oman no ekono ebetime akone sa opanyin sesi ya hwe oman Ghana mu ade a ehia Ghana pa edi kan eye enyuma na ehia ekese pa hwese obi be hwe oba school from KG to university obewie university no asan be burden ama ofie ebasa na yekoya na ase ye bai enti ye problem kese pa enyuma ana ye mpanimfo edi anim no so ade esi wo makoma so esi wo mani so pa na da wo makoma so kese se omu ebe ba no mu ba be bie enyuma ama Ghana na yemu bi no enya adwuma ne bi aye sabe ade achi ye madware mahye matade wo so adware wahye watade brodan so adware ahye natade obi ekono nyuma so a hwan na bedwene ne yonko hwan na betwitu akosi ne yonko so hwan na bekọ akotra ba bia akodi ne yonko enkonkonsa se yedi yeni hwe amanfo manso ti se Europe America no ni ade a sabe yenua no mo emu free akoho no se omo ka emu nsema kirewa na ode toto Ghana ho a na yese Ghana yenko ba bia enti eho no mamete se aya no mo ka brofo bi se time is money by obaye in Africa especially Ghana ha so mo ka say time is money amenyi nto me no mo nya adwene opanyini eden na baka jam say time is money me metiase because we kwa brochire any other countries na chese oda obi okra oda sebe onwo ne mpabo akra because onim say ebre bi be so ama akwa adwuma ebia wo gina ho me bia 1 hour 2 hours bia san sori akwa adwuma enti ho no the time ye adwuma ena ho so time ye de edituaka enti se wan kwa ye mpia oka ba Ghana so de yes time is money ye sori ane ye tedam eduase ne ye to dame e discover ye sori ane ye te sebe other places ni ye din komo ni ye din konkonsa ni ye kan manfo wonsem e discover emfiska ma na ye na se masore madware na makotra adwuma na me ye adwuma at the end of the day no menya bibi kakra firim eno de o ka chem say time is money I will agree with you nemom scientists adia me o ka chem say time is money in this country me ka chem say enya no kore enti Ghana ye yade kese pa enke ye ka ebeka se eda emergency a eye nyuma enti eno na ye mpanimfo na trance no mse da bi ye nwene ye ma ho kane danse ye be sori akotena obi ma so na sab ye no mbekọ akoya adwuma na ye sika na ebenya no saa ma no de ye adwuma ede bo mo ma no ho bra adenti na memfa menwuma ne ma oman Ghana mu na memfa saa sika no ho etoje no emmoa me mai enti ano na ye papa mo mpanimfo etrance no makeka mo abonum se da bi yeso ye ne fomfo ne nkasa na fomfo ne support ye ni so ade hunu no na yentimi emfa o ma no enyina yie enti the base movement ye ni so ade hunu kese pa ne se nyame yi adom na se yetimi ebedi o ma ne so a ade edika pa ye be consider ye nyuma esanse ye mpanimfo na di animu no omo ye bia me ehu ndi so kase obeye bia kan ho a ye nyi na tinyi sabe metuwe me nko school na me se me ko kirade abede na metuma kirade amana ye mentimi kirade amana ye na mbom se ma school na me se me kirade a metuma kirade amana ye eninti na ye papa no mo sorry ya ye fomfo no as omomfa ye nyehwe no omomfa ye nyehwe no mumuye na edu 4 years bia no maba no mo de 50 cities a share Manchester boss no mo de abre na ye yakwa salai ahomache ye koto ba odu police stations and who say yes obi timi de ebo kokko salai edi bentia okoto ba sebe ya dache ye den hihye papa beba one ne yire ne mane ne kunu ne nabusua ho beto mo but ne ekoso ne se yenya to aba no e de mampanimfo no wie a omo ne ye wie na gene ne se o petumi no o ma me 100 cedis o ma me 200 cedis o ma me 50 cedis enti wonu ma wie wato me vote petenye sa na tie ense se ko ne sa ye de tumi ne mawa dwene omanfo ne ho kane ansakura na wo wadwene wo ho enso yemma yi mu de ntesa wono na wase ye nto aba no o mesom ye no ene de ye to abama na ye som no na ne ope ene woye nia omupe nti ubehu at the end of the day no na nipa kakra bi na omu di ye omamu na dodo na ebre nti we na ye timamufo no a ye wo fom no a o mo mfa ye nyehwe no ene ese da bi moma ye nsore sabe nye wo a wako school nkwa na enim nyansa ene nye wo a wo de pen twro nkwa na enim nyansa na mponki ye kanyansa enkafie nyansa no eye kase ese no school nyansa na nyame ye wadom na onya ni mienu nyina de a hallelujah so what I say eno na ye nyina ya sore na ese da bi ye nhwe na ye nwene ye ma ho eno ntina o kan the base ye se Ghana first enti ye dwene ye ma ho kane ansa na ya dwene ye ho because wono oyire na o mate wono oyire na o mate a me free say o dwene wo ma na oyire no kane ansa na wa dwene ho eno ntina ya na da bia ya mema because mema na dwene abusua no kane ansa na wa dwene no enti say stu ye Ghana foi esese ye dwene o man Ghana ho kane na zi ye dwene o man Ghana no kane na Ghana ye ya eboa wo na za me ba dwene me ye die ho dan Ghana anytime bia de tuo besi mi so anytime bia be chase me out anytime bia ye be bro me so that say na ye na say ye nya akonya no ene yetimi de hihye ne yema eso Ghana ni bia so ene osore anopo dware hye na tade yetimi kotena na dwuma mu a nenyi ni senka otan ne enibre ne ade ebekoso oman mu bebre enti the base movement ye ni so ade nyina ne se ye ba beboa oman Ghana with employment because ye hwe Ghana from north to south, west to east. And now you call a Jurassic Dumase. Now, open Michelle Sassia Daho. Now, me be some who say, hey, into your sons as you win Daho. Auntie, bet me, Eddie, be Biamana Bo, my Ghana. But adwumbone ene pesame nkuminyanti ye diskane mo asefa koye se adwuma na no wadi enti amada bia na Ghana esofa amada bia na Ghana yare da bia ye treat Ghana enso Ghana ho ntonida enti si enyankrofo bia wo mo de o madwene ne se ye be hwe treat Ghana ma Ghana ho atona Ghana yan ko ba biya da hwe ye mabunu e ma ne mema sori a sebe ne yam yakran se no ma fa pray atue sika puduo no akotena Dubai Qatar Kuwait na sebe hwe ayakaya kadian kura ye sando mu fam atetia ye do mu fam ni nyina ne se enyuma ni o man yimunti and was sorry akotena ho hwe ne ya bibi mamu a South Africa ne ekoso na ze ye na se enyuma wo mamu a menyi ni sanko bi be sori so okotena Kuwait Saudi Arabia Qatar ana even South Africa so okopel dwumaye na nko bi betu kwa so okọ bi ma so a na nko okọ in terms of business investment. But we also the antisa. Inti the base movement. Ghana for yakika ho abom across the country. Say SSA ye or mine Ghana si ho. Esan say MPP NDC. Uma haya che. Umo say yen emabunu no. Ye dachi. Umo say mabunu ne dachi. Because the direction papa bia no ma Ghana mabunu. Oh yes. Na say direction papa wo homa Ghana mabuna. Enko bi be wie university no atifie 5 years. No atifie 10 years. endi eni da so bia ni woma ye maburo no
base for them when that so
the base movement eni da so a ema ye nyane se ye mpanimfo na edi yanim no omo nyuma nyina wo mayimu eno ma kreti nyuma bebre enti wo se ye ma na ye ma wo makonya no na se ye ma wo makonya na omo betima beye bebre eno nti na kan the base ni aje so Ghana first
na mo why need money apart from a founder why need money because obi e ba there should be a leader of the party here ko tunu so aba but they say ye hu bibisa na mo ye mo de ne say
papa ye de no eno nti na mdi kan ka se ye e fomfo no ya sori akeke ye ho abom ene ye say ye pe good leader obi a oka no kore owa akukuduro se ne bakura di bone obeche na tum ne baye bone a otimi me ya che no tum na so otimi ama ne ya che ne ba tum a na so ofo odwuma na so okodiska won che tum ye penida o ye discipline ye penida o ye discipline ye penida o we ni swade hunu wo dwene o man no ho enye leaders ya sebe homo ba omo no omo yele no omo bushia fo no ma enjoy na omoko
that your such leader be your
oh yes
your born yen here ni ma
dabi eno na maami bi ba ya obeka se ebra na MPP fo ko mo primaries no maami bi ba bontin beka se opanyini Kennedy Japan de minim no o se opanyini Kennedy Japan de minim no monto aba ma no na se de mimi sinim no se monto aba ma na mekura na one ma wo mienu no appointment one man be because we no anytime be our cassette ya family and friends
that we Kennedy the obem say ana on a party ni sin so
on abo Kennedy Japan and na the base yesusu say ye de ne be ko 2028
almost susu
yes
now anya ntume
won timi ka so anya ntume won timi ka so anya ntume ewia so sa wo ye de hye na akunwa to na se ye pe obi de na atena akunwa no so a eto da yitimi ko che wo hye dem
sa ze nipa ne nya na hwe so be kwa
and say honorable Kennedy Japan opeu ye be chi na hye dem edena afesi MPP NDC
sa
and 2028 send ye tie bia honorable Kennedy Japan etibeba ballot paper so oh yes
adamu na di nkomana
oh oye o man ba o man ba pa
no MPP ni o party house
oh yes o MPP ni me kai se ebrebi nana Insia Gebra ani efe no nana Gabi na oye former president Kufuor the senior presidential aide but edru baby no CPP is it CPP or PNC ekwa no se omra meye running mate sorry presidential candidate enti ane de enye ni so far as oye Ghana ni de ye hu se nipa bi woni mo obetimi de abo o man Ghana no why not ye be kono ho
mo kono si o la mo aka me babat MPP no me hwede e kono ho se me bua ma pa
na papa MPP no kra wo kan wasem kra ona mo Kennedy Japan so mo pam no
omum pam
nti ni e koso yi
omum pam no o mo active member
ona mo Kennedy Japan ujidi
me gidi pa we active member
ujidi
so ni bibia minimum we active member
me so de mi wuni sa o
active member or a card bearing member
sir
how train do see ni bibia
he for the nim say or active in that political party
there before ni before ni aware
MPP for one way
the executives from national regional about the constituency they all know
sir
Ghana they so be obo Kennedy Japan be into MPP
on say osono oya aboa
yes
oti wuram enipa ne di aboaso se de nyame si bo ewiase no o si enipa ni muaso en control muwa endi se obi free MPP mu ebe ka se Canada Japan o so na wo ti wura mu no eni nyansa se Canada Japan a ebe de na Canada o say
obi andi nipa no kan nya relevant
a whole bro regional chairman o kan nek ho open you say no okay
enti anu nti na ba say ne party de em say fi akonya to akasa bebre beba obi atimi ka say so no so akasa eti obi da
no kure se ne wo kan no se akonya to fi a obi apre me kai se honorable Kennedy Japan wo ye ne campaign for presidential prime minister no me kai se one Mr. Alestete eko kaseti a obi ema honorable Kennedy Japan ka chen say bema sa life no maninye ho sa suban no maninye ho o sake mi free the campaign team nim sa so me ya papa kwaku anan no ne ye adwuma wo na 2 eno so ko kaseti a baumia no o pamo no endi se na ye papa baumia enso timi de ne nasi form etu sa na mo na me free se nka MPP wo mo party no nke mo joy nkanya no sa bedru ba bia dre azeze first MPP party ana minim no na nka bed pass nka akoda be kaseti apanyini first na da bia ye kan ye se MDC fo na omu eda se subana di enso ne MPP for crab abe say NDC for in terms of that attended you know and he said na MPP tie enura no enente sa because leaderships no omuntimi take decision e man in favor party no anytime bia aye katasumu miaso eno omunde timenti ne akwada sore ne wode kamla sinu so ne obetam ne wo twa panyini wo dinatem enso nka oba ya mamre mu a enka bede senka pay akwada obibie wa no edi panyina tem first na me ya akora no se oti akora oti akunwa so na panyini ba
especially
kem mo bede se wo betra se na panyini gina ho enso ne panyini ne ti akunwa so akora no betuma ka chen se sore no me trase ni nyina ye mpanimfo no ekwan a omude oman no efa so na ama na indiscipline ekoso oman mu
debate for mo MPP for
there be a Ghana for
but as a MPP for those
sir
that's how ukra
oh there be
those
me Ghana ni me Ghana ni Ghana ni wo me
among for say the base is aggrieved MPP members
omoboa se wo the base for na no Friday se wo ne course wa Ashanti region
massive
nti mo mba ye na MPP for
yes aggrieved
and there's MPP party na gu se wo mo mba gu kuma se na no ne nyina ye MPP for there and open se MPP agu and this MPP agu ade nti na se wona bo Kennedy Japan wotenam
so go on so be patient na ahye mo to me kura na MFA
open shirt ebi obia oba program bibia
faster who knows ebi am breakfast so people interest were built around the breakfast not necessarily the movement
sorry omo ba program ni nyina no sebi obia sorry a otiminya ne breakfast enye ye program na oba kumase no
no the
breakfast and no buy in so no they came with a purpose and yes MPP
they came with Ghana first at heart okay
so what I say Ghana first and until the man almost say almost brand new madaji no ja omunyu nyina gu ho ebetena kumase ebe this adwuma de kese no ama say the base movement say Ghana ye na say abe topic e wo Ghana a obi e kan asem obi e di e ho nkomo
monam ne ho apaso
ye nam e ho apaso. And he says that the base movement yaba na ni breso pa. Esan say Bible crack was so ahini no ye kona ni eden so. And he say oba ye metras ne ma ye ho kokwasa da bi yaba pa yaba. Enunti na ye ka say e bedi dwumade wa Ashanti region hwe doma di twi ebegu Kumasi abonten so. We tell say Ghana for any abre, Ghana for pay asetremu yedie, Ghana for here yuma, Ghana for here a buo, say a big buo bema a form for, because yam penny for no be mu yeni a good form no. Enti aye yes a massa sana yam penny for no. Aye, and na MPP NDs also, Umaya say. E maame ba ko ma no ma che omumu mienu ana ba ko gina benkum ba ko gina nifa enti we bebo wura mu a na no gina nifa no no wa sha ase eto bobo park ne so no oto aboba ana nkofo mu wieske o ana mu bokro no ana mu sega no ana mu hwe kwa mu de Ghana efa so na Ghana fo ese da bi ne mo so mo mra na mmahwe o mo so ba the same thing na this for so akogina kona no mo so ahase etoba
abekronsa
ana we ba me ba machi watum ana we diska me ba ye bachi we papa ude ye musa ye ho se we mo ya na yesi wo mo diska bachi wo matum bachi ye wo mo ba hwan no mo dodo san na etimichi wo motum ubo oni e dia ye ko ye pa ni ye ko ni e ba ade no dede din
actually din
because akoye say me wode me oye mi say ya ochina me so ba me ye obi enti ama omu ba bia no kura ne da no omu ntimi mfanto enti anytime bia na ye na egu form no ye na ye sofa esanze ye say asono mi no ko kwaya ase a ama na wo form no na ebre ye na ye sofa enti sen ko mo dwene ye ho ana so mo bua ye ma ye timamufo no ya setena mo ye mra mi frizenka we enka ibi anim ba we so de akoye nipa mienu be 2.5 bi no mo enjoy no mo ko na 2.5 bi so aba no mo be enjoy no mo ko ba the base de ye de yesi ye ba ye de kuadwuma ena behwe oman Ghana ahwe Africa asopra Europe ya the tourism and the better chiro my Ghana even uko Ethiopia ade no mo by tourism uko Dubai aya tourism and om dey develop o man no se me ka a year nipa ko nsahwe wo Dubai ukura beje wonsam Ghana ha ye too good o by Dubai ye too good. Also ye can we say omaya omo good pa Dubai kan ho also ye Ghana hana ye too good no muzaza sabe wo plot ye if cry sabe wu good if cry da the whole world ye na cocoa ye produce ye toso too eni padodo say na etime nom tea milo anopa ana a day nipa dodo se na etimi no milo a day nipa dodo se na nya chocolate edi a day enso koko se produce na yesi ye na ewiase nyina ye to so mienu enso koko no ye hu so mfaso ye hu so mfaso
obisi chokomilo kra ye nya enwi osi milo
so ajase ye endi se ye omaya ye serious a enka saa ne man kitinkiti we enka beye available ama Ghana ni bia ba say ukodwa so se ukoto milo ne watin mu ana se wo sachets ni mu a won kita be se 80 cedis ay ko 100 cedis a onya bi nto na yemu se o se nipa dodo sen e na wo ma Ghana mu a o mutimi nya sa sika 80 cities and 100 cities e de to sa million bi nipa dodo sen even po o ma ye maame ne papa no mu a o mu do kokoro yemu sa se mu dodo sen e de timi nom ti e de so that yeah. Endi say o my Ghana say ye serious a enka sa ne man kiti bi say no ese say enka ye easy e ma simamfo no
number obetima ka mo number say region so we secretary region
oh Ashanti region ye do so pa
pa sa
oh ye do so pa
mo ye be say
opanyini ye do so pa
ko nanum de na buy no ebi free other regions na buy de
nano nipa be gugu Kumasi abonte so no papa
ni na Ashanti region
me kam chiro
na ko mabo adwuma
papa me say ni ane ye me de wo mu kura ni say at the time ye me coordinators ni shia ye no on say the base all the 47 constituency in Ashanti region no ye wo coordinators wo ho every 47
wow
constituency in Ashanti region
47
me kam chiro
hey that base
papa ye ni agro ye ni abre
na mo oska sa na
ye dune ye man Ghana ho
mo nya ska won mo source of funding because to organize such program enye better
unim Ashanti region ye nya be say 25 offices across the constituency
the base
yes but ba kokura mi ho a ye rent ye oh yes among for the demand even your original office no the base will be na donate my
sir the base
even across the country office ba ko kran no ho a ye beka say the base ye yiska say ye rented this office ama a certain region and as a constituency be among for na donate
all over Ghana
all over which they say the base among for any the papa among for any the base yachi enti ni padoma ebegu na Kumasi abonte so na no papa me ana me coordinator na coordinate sa ankrofo na edu mu bae no enipa on begu Kumasi abonte no mu bro 10,000 no mu bro 10,000 me come to
those na 10,000 a huge number
hey
we say number no
kwa nanka numbers ya nanka eba no numbers ya nanka eba no eduru ba bi ye nia ye tete so
asemza mo akodi bi kan ho
papa me say me mfa bi kan ho me ana me coordinator o de senka u bi e kola na tuma enka coordinators na across me tie o ma sha se frefre me na o de enka bisa constituency bi o wa o mo say ye di nipa 500 na beba ye se da bi because of transport no mo be amon fa nipa 100 mra
ada mo na mo finance transport
amon for na e finance transport no
but ya bibia amon for there
e wo say empany for ye support bi but dodo na e ya amon for
individuals na say o de
individuals just such dumase afija kwabe north nen offenso ne adanse for no macha na nya sanketwa na nya sanketwa
de nkwa na muka che mu ase munya numbers
openyi on say Ghana for I fed up with MPP and DC papa ye nyuma
there have been movement amfa e dey na chese movement here befa
me da say this movement the base movement papa on the because all the 47 constituency ye work coordinators ye mama ye say nia ebinum be ye no da bi ana nia ba ye no so nia edi kan ba ye no ene de asuma si na sorry ye no say me ba be contest enti me so me boabo me doma no but the base movement nia man ye sonko ne say ye form no na sorry akeka mu ho abom na ye be family leader bi de na ba
Okay, the difference.
And the difference room.
But your form for a
form for
no leader.
Good.
But the leader never pay for.
When so the leaders in the copen for. When so the Uncle Ghana for no I said there be young congo ye de keke and wabu mawi into Uncle Pe Obia obitimi edi yanim. Anna near Tosumi, you know, a person a yes from. And the movement be a bagana be an answer, third force be an second force or first force be an bagana no. A deba qua na omuntiminian say constituency level, polling station level, electoral area level, no omuntimi enya wajuma. By the base, we are working on it.
You are working on it?
Yes. Polling station be a SSC.
Bit my third force for.
Hey, yeah, me quite men can say a third force. Yeah, new political party.
Say the movement.
Yeah, movement.
Pampers party Debbie.
Papa me say enche.
Hey.
What about
I don't
Nebesu o magana mu no.
As a base for more video, we are boho baby.
Me say nebesu o magana mu no. O de ye man ho up to December. Ghana for be who the base movement. Ekwaya do my Ghana
December your July mo.
Your July mo. O de mo hwe to December ending.
Eti mo leader ndabe na mo number.
Ona bo kana de Japan. Ona bo kana de Japan. Papa, and me say from next year come. Mo don beti ni bi si o Ghana.
Because can be say man is next year the above got the place next year no be code the base alliance
e bet ma ba search oti we ade be chi let dem
na wa ma the base
dabi ayi papa dabi wa ma the base dabi ye wo titrophobia
joy mu nyina wo
ye wo titrophobia o mutese wona bokene de Japan e bi te say joy was 2 times presidential candidate. So what does here? Ye me no ka say. Ye papa Alan Kojo Chire Martin.
The base.
Me kamechro.
Already so
me say ye papa Alan Kojo Chire Martin. Ye papa Kwame Bediakon Sheda.
I did video bi na picture bi na by na agenda home.
Me say papa
AI but no agenda.
Papa me say the base. Yeah ba. Ye ni agro. Yeah then one touch.
Baseball of him
one touch. Ye ni agro. One touch.
Come and test waters.
Dabi. Anya fe ni be test waters o.
And anu nipa buy kakra na mo film sa.
Anya no. Papa anya no.
Buy there.
Na no nipa buy.
Nipa buy no.
They say ago binum yade. Ebinum kra ewura dem mu ntimi mpie amonten
ehfa phone
anya omo
ehfa phone
anya yi phone no
ehfa phone
me se Ghana phone di me se wo bu wura dem mu ntimi mpie
de be se ekutie ku ana
anya ekutie ku eye Ghana ku on say Ghana phone bi afa Ghana se o mo ajapade Ghana phone bi afa o my Ghana se o mo ajapade Sankrofo no na omuti the base dia no mo ho woso no mo pe ba bi do muti e ka wo mo nkona nka the base na nka jadam na nka yatete apansam na nka omotimi
na da bi amoti court
na nka da bi yete court o ma agenda no bet emma so china the base movement yet to see
mo office mo Ashanti
region your office wo Ashtown.
Okay.
Ashtown then the farmer brosane mu nyakotawa ehwa na your office wo.
Ehon se na mo so obi na donate mam.
Obi na donate or the chair or rent chair free.
Na they say mono I movement more card now how do someone join? Yeah they no be join.
Oh yes. Met my register so see how the card amount.
Me go party bia.
And I'm sure so will be some question. And I will say obi register your card near there. And I'm say what was this here? Met my register the card amount is here.
Sir.
Oh yes. yaboa ye ho ne yeba ena the base mpanimfo so animdifo hom and yet tisi from say yeba no ne yahihye bibia in terms of kwan ye be fa so ye registration aye membership card ne ade enti wo faafo no wo register ho wo register ya na ye do
ko can do an online registration.
Yes,
I see. And online no mo presence mo nipa be sen wo so ma o ma register so far.
Oh, so far you register more than 1 million, getting to
1 million.
Hey, oh yes,
sir.
Oh yes. Oh, yeah, me go up and the way on Ghana for any abreno. Oh, on the she will be to me first car, Ekariska be a 2 billion, 3 billion, or so what you took wine. I didn't know to quino.
Every so many munye.
Oh, many munye, or compared to my and pass a nipponess says it can the choir by 2-3 years time. No, a day and I Japadi and Nippon Babe Kukresi one. Obi or 2 many more was why you might 30 years, 40 years, 20 years. I don't know. So what I say now. Se nyuma wo mema enti nkobe sisa says can so de kwotno obi ma so da bi enko
da bi
na says can kro na opanyi say 3 billion old cedis 300,000 Ghana cedis na se menya says can na me wo pepa se me de be set up business in this country masa ebegu ebe she me na me business airline company.
Okay.
2017, 2018. Yeah, good no.
How many good? Say one day be a one manage you.
Open you. Ade a manage at the end of the day. We say ekosi say. At the end, evidence no munya ya na che say majumano na menye ni.
Deliberate.
Yes. Oh, the Ghana no.
Ehun ya ntina de ko the base.
Oh, enya ho ya. Debi. Enya ho ya. Me dwene on my Ghana ho.
My Ghana.
Because at that time no. Na me wo 47 workers. Ba ye say wo nyina atifi.
Asemo.
Wo nyina atifi.
Unemployment
na. Ghana yade kese pa ye wo no say obi koso a na ye binumo ya. Obi koso no na ye bi ya e ka ne nko ananko no nko a wosoro no nka wosoro ya yesa masa Ghana yesuba no but anya se suba no so a ebe ha ye e ma ye nko ye nim asoman.
All right, Mr. Amako. Ene ye di nkomo na bia emre na so e de na wo ka che Ghana fo nyina mu hwe all over Ghana ni amono ni nyina na ye sorry son of pay
openye me da se kakra me ka kire o man Ghana ani ahwefo na atiefo nyina a o mu tie me mprempre se ye besere mo sese nia o man Ghana e kono ehu ema ye emabuno no ehu pa enti mesere Ghana fo se ye nyina ye mfa odo ene akomakro en support the base movement ye papa Kennedy wa hina Japan edi animu no esanse ye nyina ye nim onabo Kennedy Japan ne modern mo a wobo ede abo man Ghana ni nyuma wa kreti employment wa kreti e wo Ghana ha sei ye nim no enti yesre Ghana fo sa momwaye na ye nyina ye ntimi enhihye oman no ma oman ne nyeye na sabe ye hihye na se ye ya wo bete so bi adi me so mati bi adi eno ntina the base ye kan ni age so se Ghana first esan say ye beto Ghana enti ese ye dwene Ghana ho kane na ye age so Ghana the base ni age so job for the youth enti se Ghana ho a ni betima bo oman Ghana ne enyuma se nyuma o man ni mu a ena betima ma oman na tumpon na ni twatwo kra yesi kese power no ebi ase se oni tumi a wontimi nya hwe
nokre
oni tumi a wontimi nya bibia ndemo se wonya tumi a wotimi de tumi na ye enema bebre ne opesa wo ye no ubenya atimi aye ene nti mesre atiefo ane ahwefo se mo nyina mo miensom na yemwa na yempega oman Ghana yanwene oman Ghana ho kane ensene ye ne ankasa ye yedie na se yadwene oman Ghana ho kane a na se Ghana ejina yi a ebeboa menu mienu nyina ebema krono swate ebema nkonkonsa swate ebema unemployment no so eswate nti mesre Ghana fo moma nyina yemwa na yempega na yemfa the base movement ye papa Kennedy o hina Japan edi animo no yemfa ma
me di animo so okay mate ye da ase
mesumi na wase
yewa Eric o samu akona ye churcheni churcheni de ma ye the base movement Ashanti region anopa ye da ase so obesum ye
all
right, so I'll pay any base for dim come na over the weekends na nya some kit work be bia the base so the numbers you say very huge weekend says na ekodia organization is strong na as time goes so no be dim come na the way forward for them your birthdays you your birthdays no in free ho anopay da in free happy birthday to Dache Joaso Hima Dache Bridget Dache Joaso Hima. Today is your birthday, Bridget. Disease control office at Jamasi Polyclinic. From all the staff of Jamasi Polyclinic, they say happy birthday to you. Jamasi Polyclinic for Mobo Juma Jamisham no Yamakasipa. Na omusi hu se dabia omudo no mutawachi nyuma pa uyenti nyame nto nkwanem happy birthday Dache Joaso Hima Bridget. A very happy birthday to Bishop Jeffrey Ano Akwa, the assembly member for Atimetim East Electoral Area. So Honorable Reverend Jeffrey A. Akwa, Honorable Nyamisha no kese na mema nkwatente no ma pomden ese nyame se ena wa wode o manisha no enoso ema wo. So also the happy birthday to Karaga Zugulana Zugulana. Happy birthday to Karaga Zugulana Adani. I feel menye enti meshasi. Happy birthday to Karaga Zugulana Andani. NPA Bono region, Chief of Zugu in Karaga of the Northern region from Nanayao, Kintom TV. So today is your birthday and wish you the very best. Nanayao says, may Allah continue to bless you and make you strong and all your heart desire come to pass. So happy birthday, Chief. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Nana Buachi Yadom Atonsa. So Nana Buachi Yadom Bemaba. Yeah, Buachi be Big Nash. Happy birthday to you, Big Nash. May your new age be a blessing to you and your family. Today is your birthday, Big Nash. The Big Nash himself. Chamai Nash, I don't know. Enjoy this wonderful day. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Melody Beza from Joyce Beza. So Melody, today is your birthday, and Joyce say may all the joy that you deserve come to you. Today is a wonderful day. May you rise through the ranks, grow, and become a big woman. Yes, be the CEO that we wish for you. Happy birthday, Melody. And happy birthday to Alexis at Hayward in the Western region from Sika, your friend. So today is your birthday, Alexis, and your very good friend, your very good friend from the Western region. Say happy birthday to you, Alexis. May God bless you. May His countenance shine upon you. May you bright and shine like a diamond. And happy birthday to Nana Amajemfua from your siblings, husband, and children. Nana, happy birthday. You say Nyamisha. And then I don't need more bro who mount. You say Nyamisha from Fra Dumu Kwa Dum May you be fruitful and multiply. Nana, happy birthday. And a glorious birthday to Bright Owusu. Dodona Fro as Nyameba. Oye ko school oye Amstead ba na ene wa wo day yes happy birthday to you na ene nyame fimfa mfra domu enkwa domu nyame emanye kese from your dad Pastor Dixon Safo Mafu and your mothers so for mama Mrs. Victoria Safo Mafu Vivian Ofori Kachiri Brago and all your siblings. Hey, and yeah, right, abusuane tawacho no na makunkum pa ko daddy dog mommy mo dog or siblings you are proud of you. Right, happy birthday. Yami shout no from Fradum Quadrum. And happy belated birthday to pretty girl currently in Germany. Date Rush host on TikTok. May God continue to bless you and make all your dreams become reality. This is from Kobe. So pretty girl, happy glorious birthday. You're in Germany and you're a host of Date Rush on TikTok. May all that you inspired for be aspired and come to pass. Happy birthday, pretty girl. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Akosia Somwa Ejapong. Akosia Somwa Ejapong from Ulysses and Kevin on the Sompa crew. That is oh, Mami Akosia Somwa, very beautiful and wonderful lady. Akosia, Nami from Fradumu and Kwadumu. Nyame mama ni petichu nya sonko kra nyame na wo sha no onko so en sha wo akosia wo demu sonko. You are special. Happy birthday to you. Nyame enyo kese. And happy birthday to happy birthday to Mrs. Agatha Frimpong. Mrs. Agatha Frimpong, aka Anwamu, from your husband, Honorable Wafa Anwamu, and your son, Anwamu Jr., and your daughter, Anwamu Jr. Anwamu, boy, a guy who do career, be Philippo family rough. Boy, a guy, Tina Wolfie, Osman, no cry there, those misses, Damisha, no fa, Adomo, Omonfra, Dum, Quadum, send me Anwamu, ya sochi, no. Yamemo, my brabo, so yes, sochi, Anwamu, happy birthday. Already a special birthday to Miriam at Central SDA Church at Santiago from Keche OB. Yonkodo, Biakoye, Maranatha, Eradi Bra. Miriam, a hard-working lady. May God bless you. May the God of your fathers, may God of SD, Ellen G. White, bless you. Nyamisha no nyo kese, but Miriam nie, happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. On that note, you for something in Facebook for don't say.